Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple findings, including gallbladder stone, large hepatic mass, vesicle growth, and prostatic hypertrophy. You can see the liver, and it shows parenchymal affection, coarse ecotexture of the hepatic parenchyma, and a large stone is seen in the neck of the gallbladder. You can see the stone shadowing. Most people with cholelithiasis have no symptoms at all. A minority of patients with gallstones develop symptoms severe abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting, and complete blockage of the bile duct that may pose the risk of infection. Cholelithiasis can lead to cholecystitis, inflammation of the gallbladder. Now you can see a large mass, and this mass is semi-solid to solid in consistency, has heterogeneous ecogensity, is round to oval in shape, and it lies in the lower portion of the right lobe of the liver. Now the hepatic tumors are a diverse group of masses that include malignant and benign subtypes. Their presence and their presentation may vary from localizing signs and symptoms such as jaundice and right upper quadrant pain to vague sign symptoms such as fatigue, weight loss, and anorexia. Many hepatic tumors are discovered incidentally on medical imaging scans. Moreover, the liver is common site of metastasis, and metastases to liver are significantly more common than primary liver tumors. Now, the incidence of primary liver cancer is steadily increasing worldwide. Most benign tumors do not cause symptoms and are found incidentally on abdominal imaging studies such as ultrasound, CT scan, or MRI. It is important that benign tumors are not misdiagnosed. Your doctor may choose to follow the tumor with imaging studies to ensure that they have been diagnosed correctly. Correct, correctly. Now you can see the urinary bladder, and a vesicle growth is seen lying in the base of the right side of the base of the urinary bladder. This is a vesicle growth, and it is semi-solid to solid in consistency. The patient has history of blood in the urine. Now you can see the vesicle growth. An ultrasound scan is used to show if growth is present and how large it is. Ultrasound cannot always find small tumors, so additional tests may be required. Ultrasound scan with the full bladder are mandatory to see all findings. Now you can see the measurement of this. You will see the measurement of the prostate gland also later in this video. The tumors are either benign or cancerous. Bladder cancer or bladder tumors are relatively common, and most bladder tumors are cancerous. Now, the urinary bladder is one of the basic abdominal organs that is assessed during transabdominal ultrasound examination. The bladder must be filled with urine. This is a prerequisite for a reliable assessment, and at the same time an acoustic window in examining adjacent structures and organs, for instance the prostate gland and female genital tract, genital organs. Now you can see the measurement of the prostate, and the normal weight of the prostate is about 25 grams, and in this case you can see the weight is 58.65 grams. So there is prostatic hypertrophy, there is enlargement of the prostate gland, benign enlargement. So sonography enables the detection of 95% of exophatic lesions within the urinary bladder. Due to the malignant character and need for aggressive surgical treatment, a correct diagnosis of this disease is essential for the patients, as the lack of adequate treatment and delayed treatment considerably affect the prognosis of this vesicle growth. Now again you can see the liver and a mass. Many benign liver tumors do not cause signs and symptoms and are found incidentally on abdominal imaging studies. Globally, the liver cancer is the third leading cause of cancer death after cancers of lungs and the stomach. The highest incidence of hepatocellular carcinoma (HCC) is in China, representing about 50% of HCC cases worldwide, with most of the cases associated with hepatitis B virus infection. Cholangiocarcinoma also has a disproportional geographical distribution, with Thailand having the highest global rates due to the presence of liver flukes. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.